back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of supervised machine learning and label data abilities. If you've ever wondered how machines are trained to make accurate predictions and classifications, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Before we begin exploring supervised machine learning, let's first understand the basic concept of machine learning itself. Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithms and models that enable computers to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data. Supervised machine learning is a specific branch of machine learning where we provide labeled examples to train a model. But what exactly does labeled data mean? Labeled data refers to a dataset in which each data point is associated with a corresponding label or target value. These labels can be categorical, such as classifying emails as spam or not spam, or numerical, such as predicting the price of a house based on its features. Labeled data acts as a guide for the machine learning model, helping it understand patterns and make accurate predictions. Labeled data is crucial for supervised machine learning because it forms the basis for training models. By providing the correct labels, we teach the model to recognize patterns and generalize its knowledge to make predictions on unseen data. Without labeled data, the model wouldn't have a reference point and wouldn't know how to classify or predict anything accurately. Now, let's explore some common methods of labeling data. Manual labeling. Manual labeling involves human annotators assigning labels to each data point. It can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process, but it often yields high-quality labeled data. Crowd labeling. Crowd labeling, also known as crowdsourcing, leverages the power of a crowd to label large datasets. This approach involves distributing data to multiple annotators, whose collective judgments are used to determine the labels. It can be more cost-effective, but requires careful management and quality control. Active learning. Active learning is a semi-supervised approach that combines manual and machine labeling. Initially, a small labeled dataset is used to train a model. The model then identifies uncertain or challenging data points and requests human experts to label those specific instances. This iterative process helps the model learn from the most informative data points, reducing the need for extensive manual labeling. Labeled data provides several key benefits in the realm of supervised machine learning. Training accuracy. With labeled data, machine learning models can achieve higher accuracy levels during the training phase. By learning from correctly labeled examples, the models can understand the underlying patterns in the data more effectively. Generalization. Labeled data enables models to generalize their knowledge and make accurate predictions on unseen data. The model can learn the underlying relationships and patterns from labeled examples and apply that knowledge to new, unlabeled instances. Performance evaluation. Labeled data is also essential for evaluating the performance of machine learning models. By comparing the predicted labels with the true labels, we can measure accuracy, precision, recall, and other metrics to assess how well the model performs. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of supervised machine learning and the importance of labeled data. Labeled data acts as a guiding light, allowing machine learning models to learn, predict, and classify accurately. From manual labeling to active learning, there are various methods to obtain labeled data, each with its own pros and cons. Well